Finding solutions to linear systems using table. Standard understand that solutions to a system of two linear equations in two variables correspond to points of intersection on their graph, because point of intersection makes the statement or the equations true. It should satisfy that both equations are true when you plug in the ordered pair. Objective: students will be able to use table to find solution to the linear system. Vocab: systems of linear equations. A linear system is a set of two or more linear equations that use the same variable. Solution is a set of values for variables, that is the ordered pair, that makes all the equations true. The point of intersection of two lines on a coordinate plane. Rate of change is the slope. In what problem we look for the word per, each, or ratio with one with the 2 units, like dollars per hour, miles per hour. So they have 2 units. Starting value is the y-intercept or initial value, or a flat fee or bank balance or shipping cost in a word problem. A system of linear equations can have exactly one solution, no solution, or many solutions. How do you solve a pair of equations that have two same variables? Example: use a table to solve the following linear of systems of equations: y equals 5x plus 1 and y equals x minus 3. So you're given set of x values, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. And then you have to find the y values for the equation y equals 5x plus 1 and for the equation y equals x minus 3, where you plug in the x values in each equation and where the equations both have same y values. That is the solution to the system. So in this one we have y equals 5. We substitute 2 in place of x plus 1 and we press enter. It's 11. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Now for the next equation, we type in y equals 2 minus 3 and then we press the enter. So 2 minus 3 is -1. For x equals 1, say y equals 5 times 1 plus 1 and we press enter. 5 times 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 6. Now for the next one, when x is 1, for the next equation, we have y equals 1 minus 3. We have enter. Oops, my fault. Y equals 1 minus 3, enter. It's -2. So 1 minus 3 is -2. And when x is 0, when we plug in 0 in each equation, you have y equals 5 times 0 plus 1. So 5 times 0 is 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Let's correct this one. This is not y1, is just 1. Okay. When x is 0, for the second equation, you have y equals 0 minus 3. Enter. So 0 minus 3 is negative 3. When x is negative 1, when x is negative 1, let's find what's the value for each equation when x is negative 1. So y equals 5 times negative 1 plus 1. So 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, plus 1 should give you negative 4. There you go. So for the next one, equation y equals negative 1 minus 3. Enter. So you see, both equation, when x is negative 1, the y values for both equation is negative 4. They are same. So that is the solution to the system. When the y values are same, they intersect. The graph for the both equations intersect at x equals negative 1, y equals negative 4. Now let's continue with the table. Y equals 5 times negative 2 plus 1. Enter. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, plus 1 is negative 9. For the next equation, y equals negative 2 minus 3. Enter. Negative 5. So what is the solution to the given system? Write in ordered pair. So the solution is negative 1, negative 4. That's the solution to the system. Now, in each equation below, identify rate of change, the slope, and the starting point, the y-intercept. So you're given the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's the slope-intercept form where m is the slope and b is the y-coordinate of y-intercept. So in the first equation, m is the slope. So m is the coefficient of x. So the first equation, y equals 5x plus 1, the coefficient of x is 5. So our slope is 5. And b is the y-intercept. So b is the constant number and it's 1. So the y-intercept is written here as ordered pair 0, b, which is 0, 1. For the second equation, the coefficient of x is 1. It's invisible 1. So our slope is 1. Y-intercept is 0b, which is 0, comma, -1. Negative because the sign changed from plus to negative. You see, general formula is y equals mx plus b, but the given equation is y equals x minus 3. So the sign changed. So the y-intercept, the b value in y-intercept is negative